If you want to download your account data from Amazon Prime, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you have all the information you need. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Amazon Prime membership. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your data settings. Scroll down to the Data and Privacy section. Click on the Request Your Data option to proceed with downloading your account data. Step 4. Choose data to download. You will see various categories of data available for download. Select the specific data you want, such as order history, payment methods, or streaming activity. Make your selections and confirm your choices. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email notification when your data is ready for download. Follow the link in the email to access and download your account data in the specified format. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Amazon Prime. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon's customer support.